This is my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, SN Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to not reveal your telephone number on Telegram. A step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Telegram tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to hide your Telegram number to everybody, whether your contact or people that does not know you on Telegram. So the first thing you need to do is to open up your Telegram account. After you open up your Telegram account, next thing you want to do is to click on this three slider. And the next thing you need to do is to make sure you go to settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to privacy and security. Then go to phone number. Then make sure you switch to nobody. Then right here, who can find me by my number, make it also nobody. Once you're done, come to the top right here to click on this check mark. By that, nobody will be able to see your Telegram phone number, whether people in your contact list or people that just message you on Telegram. So this is how to hide or disable your Telegram number, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Telegram tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.